Welcome in this interview and a special dialogue at Syrian Iraqi channel.
Thank you for the invitation.
قمودي بسقلة يعني شقلة قطيتها انه درجته هو يبut عيتاثة مدن خياط السبب.
He's asking what was your motivation to start searching and also writing about the Eastern Church?
I think our churches in the West are becoming very westernized and very modern, but I was interested to study the early church traditions because they are so rich in spirituality.
أبو إلى رابا شرارة وسزقورة وخ عمو.
Because you see, in the West, we don't know much about these ancient churches. Often it is forgotten that Christianity was born here in the Middle East.
يضعاث معلومات تقاوى إلى رابا قطينة يعني دقيقة.
If we take the case of the Church of the East, they are mentioned, if we can say, at the time of Pentecost.
داخم خامخ داخي نطرخ إيثوثا مشيخيث الوجود المسيحي تيلا بياشا إديو قدرنا أفروافا.
It is good again for dialogue, you know, that you have different type of people of different countries and different continents. I hope that you will have such people in the future for other programs.